मेरे चैनल एजुकेशन टॉक्स विद अब्बास को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन का बटन प्रेस करें ताकि आपको एजुकेशनल मोटिवेशन वीडियोस मिलती रहें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today I present the lecture about combustion. First question is that what is a combustion? Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts rapidly with oxygen and gives off heat. For example, converted into CO2 with the help of oxygen. The original substance is called the fuel and the source of oxygen is called the oxidizer. So combustion process is old technology in human history. Human was burning wood for the survival. These wood burning was completely combustion. There will be excess oxygen available for the burning of fuel. For example, C converted into CO2, meaning to say that complete combustion with handsome amount of heat generated, and these heat used in different application like steam turbine and to generate electricity. On the other hand, incomplete combustion mean to say that incomplete combustion gives out CO2 plus water vapors plus CO. This is the main difference between complete combustion and incomplete combustion. So in this slide represent the reactions of methane between methane with oxygen converted into carbon dioxide, mean to say that this is the complete combustion reaction. So complete combustion and incomplete combustion main difference is that when C converted into CO2, this is the complete combustion. When C converted into CO2 and CO, this is the incomplete combustion. And the next slide represent that combustion is the rapid oxidation of fuel. Air contains 20.9% oxygen, 79% nitrogens and the other component. So the application of combustion is very vast in chemical industries and process industries. For example, combustion is mainly CHP, combined heat and power generation system. So steam turbine used to generate electricity. So this lecture you have understand about combustion after you listen my this lecture. So this slide represent that nitrogen reduce the complete combustion efficiency, mean to say that nitrogen forms NOx and NOx at high temperatures, and a carbon forms CO2 and CO. CO means that represent the heating value, but CO2 represent the zero heating value. So nitrogen, a drawback of combustion is that additional 79% nitrogen reduce efficiency of combustion. So this lecture represent the about combustion. Inshallah, after you watch my video, you completely learn about combustion, what is a combustion and application of combustion, and what is the difference between incomplete combustion and complete combustion. So next lecture is that what is the difference between combustion and gasification. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.